In the book of Mark chapter 7, it is written, "Then the Pharisees and scribes asked Yeshua, 'Why walk not thy disciples according to the tradition of the elders, but eat bread with unwashen hands?' He answered and said unto them, Well hath Esaias prophesied of you hypocrites, as it is written, This people honoureth me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. Howbeit in vain do they worship me, teaching for doctrines the commandments of men. For laying aside the commandment of God, ye hold the tradition of men, as the washing of pots and cups, and many other such like things ye do. And he said unto them, Full well ye reject the commandment of God, that ye may keep your own tradition. For Moses said, Honor thy father and thy mother, and whoso curseth father or mother, let him die the death. But ye say, If a man shall say to his father or mother, It is Corban, that is to say, a gift, by whatsoever thou mightest be profited by me, he shall be free. Making the word of God of none effect through your tradition, which ye have delivered, and many such like things do ye." Of Yeshua, in Matthew chapter 23, it is written about the tradition and customs of the religious. But woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites! For ye shut up the kingdom of heaven against men. For ye neither go in yourselves, neither suffer ye them that are entering to go in. Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites! For ye devour widows' houses, and for a pretense make long prayer. Therefore ye shall receive the greater damnation. Woe unto you, scribes and Pharisees, hypocrites! For ye compass sea and land to make one proselyte, and when he is made, ye make him twofold more the child of hell than yourselves. In 1 Timothy chapter 1 is written, Desiring to be teachers of the law, that is, expounders of the Jewish law, understanding neither what they say nor whereof they affirm. But we know that the law of Moses is good, if a man use it lawfully. Knowing this, that the law of Moses is not made for a righteous man, but for the lawless and disobedient, for the ungodly, and for sinners, for unholy and profane, for murderers of fathers and murderers of mothers, for manslayers. Yeshua and his disciples were against the customs and traditions of Judaism. They were not against the words spoken by Moses as Elohim had given to him. Don't be locked out of the kingdom of heaven by following their Jewish customs and traditions. Things such as the Sabbath chala, Jewish ritual prayers, etc. were never commanded and will never be required of us. Those who teach you such things, according to what is written from Yeshua, are the children of hell and seek to replicate themselves in you.